What's up? This is Austin Hardee. Just put together a new bike. Had a little session out at JC earlier today, so we'll take a look at that. And we'll check out the new whip. So here's the new bike. We'll start off with the Stalag frame from Mirraco Bikes. Features removable brake mounts, an hourglass shaped bottom bracket, the Mirraco emblem cut out in the head tube, which is an awesome feature. It looks sick. Moving on up, we got the Demolition open bars, 8.25 rise, paired up with the ODI Longneck grips. Got the Odyssey Monolever. Move on down here to the stem. We got the Demolition stealth stem. Just like the name, it's really stealth. It's got a nice clean design to it. It's also flush with your fork bolt up top here, so nothing's sticking out. Got the Odyssey gyro, Odyssey brake cables. Got the Snafu fork up here in the front. Got the Alienation rim paired up with the Maxxis tire. Profile hubs. Get on back to the cranks. We got the Demolition cranks, Sprocket, 25 tooth, 9 in the back. Shadow conspiracy chain. Also paired up in the Demolition plastic pedals. Moving up top, we got the Demolition seat and seat post combo here. It's a real popular seat design that a lot of companies are going with. Moving on to the rear wheel, we got the profile hub in the back, the Odyssey 7KA rim, wrapped with the Maxxis Grifter tires. And that's about it. It's running smooth. Really enjoying it. It's one of my favorite bikes that I've put together. So thanks for checking it out.